solve x times x minus 4 plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, while it doesn't look like it right away, this is actually a quadratic equation. Because if I simplify the x times x minus 4 by applying the distributive property, I get x squared minus 4x, and then we still have the plus 2, is then equal to 0. And now we can solve this equation. We could try to factor this. It doesn't factor, so instead let's apply the quadratic formula. So I'll apply the quadratic formula with a equal to 1, b equal to negative 4, and c equal to 2. Then applying the quadratic formula, x is equal to the opposite of b, which is negative 4, plus or minus the square root of b, which is negative 4, squared, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 2, over 2 times a, which is 1. There's the application of the quadratic formula. Let's simplify this. So then x is equal to, the opposite of negative 4 is 4, plus or minus square root. Negative 4 squared is negative 4 by negative 4, 16, minus 4 times 1 times 2 is 8, minus 8. 2 times 1 is 2. We can simplify this further. 16 minus 8 under the radical is 8, still over 2. So we now have x is equal to 4 plus or minus the square root of 8 over 2. We can simplify that radical. The square root of 8, recall, is the same as the square root of 4 times the square root of 2. So x is equal to 4 plus or minus the square root of 4 times the square root of 2 over 2. And the square root of 4 is 2. So x is equal to 4 plus or minus 2 root 2 over 2. And now I see that I have a common factor of 2 between the numerator and denominator. So really what's happening here is I have x is then equal to, I can think of the whole numerator as 2 times 2 plus or minus the square root of 2. And of course the denominator is equal to 2 times 1. And I can reduce out the common factor of 2 between the numerator and denominator. And so then x is equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of 2. And then remember, this means that there are two solutions. One solution is x is equal to 2 minus the square root of 2, and another solution is x is equal to 2 plus the square root of 2.